Salute the YoungStar.
What do you think you need to do to be a stylist? How do you get there? Do you just think it comes from within you? You just think you've got it?
Maybe I have to go to college and study art.
But the trends that are in season now, so as you can see, they've taken the colours and they've put it into their outfits, so they're really vibrant. So who's your favourite celebrity? You guys can just shout that out.
Maybe Ariana Grande.
She's got great style. I want to find an item that will kind of represent that kind of print.
Checkered pants and a checkered top, and I also did this dress.
Lovely. So you'll be looking for checks, won't you?
And like there's flowers on the top.
That is beautiful. So you'll be looking at flower prints, won't you?
I like the African prints.
Yeah.
The fashion, like the way they style, and I like the landscapes.
So I'll see you little stylists soon then, shall I?